Friday is a little bit easier for me to describe for our audio listeners because everyone is in at least a marginal, if not a slight, which is a 2 out of 5.
Right.
So everyone has a chance of severe weather come Friday, Friday.
Right, and there's some concern in the discussion, that the Storm Prediction Center put out for Friday that things could come together, they might have to up that another level at some point.
Really?
Yeah, so,
That's twice
and
this episode. We're really endorsing reading the area forecast discussions, huh?
right, right, and, the reason for that is twofold. Number 1, this is will be caused by a cold front moving in. Okay, so there you see this little cluster of clouds down here over the lower Mississippi Valley,
I
that's
do.
our little disturbance that brings us the rain and thunderstorms and low end risk for severe weather Thursday, tomorrow. This blob back here over the southern plains and central Rockies, that's our Friday storm. That and a cold front that's in this area as well, going through the Great Lakes and trailing into the Texas and Oklahoma panhandles. That comes our way Friday. Out ahead of it, it looks like we see a surge of warmth and humidity. The cool conditions that we saw yesterday and today will be a memory by that point. Looks like temperatures shoot up well into the 80s. Looks like it's going to be
Whew.
pretty humid across the Carolinas as well. So plenty of warm and humid air will be in place. Thunderstorm fuel. So yeah, it looks like we'll be pretty unstable and with a lot of energy in the atmosphere to work with. So when the cold front moves in, we'll get thunderstorms. The setup is such that we could see some of these supercell thunderstorms. Those are the kind that
Mm.
make most of our tornadoes. So there's going to be a risk for some isolated tornadoes. Not sure how serious that is just yet. It's one of those things we have to stay tuned and see how things are shaping up tomorrow and then again Friday morning. But concerns there. But most importantly, there's going to be a lot of instability present. Instability is a fancy word for just saying it gets cold really fast as you go up instead of the usual rate. Everybody knows it gets colder as you go up, but the faster that of cooling as you go up occurs, the more unstable the atmosphere is. It looks like it's going to be pretty unstable on Friday. And when it's pretty unstable, you have the risk for severe thunderstorms. And again, because it looks like we'll have a setup that allows for supercell thunderstorms with wind shear present, favorable for that. So there's going to be a tornado risk too, and that's why they're going with level 2 already, and might have to bump it up to even level 3, perhaps.
I
Things
hope
come
not.
together just right.
Yeah, I certainly hope not. We will keep you posted on our social. We will be streaming again our Carolina Weather Net. So wherever you watch YouTube, from your phone to your TV, you can get severe weather alerts, live radar,